How to fix not registered on network problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your not registered on network problem in your device. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your device's settings. In here, tap on connections at the first option and go on to your mobile networks. Here, make sure that your network mode SIM1 or SIM2 is connected to Auto Connect and not 2G or 3G. If you have multiple SIM in your device, make sure you also do the same as your SIM1. Toggle it on to Auto Connect and see if this fixes your problem. If not, go back, scroll below and go to General Management. In here, tap on Reset at the bottom page. Now here, tap on Reset All Settings. So it says that this will reset all your settings on your phone except for the things that has been listed. Tap on Reset Settings, and for security purpose, simply type in your phone PIN and see if this fixes your issue. If not, the third way you can solve your problem is just take out the SIM card and re-enter it, and that shall fix your problem. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.